In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Microsoft OneNote. Adding videos to your notes is a great way to make your content more engaging and informative. Whether you're saving a tutorial, embedding a lecture, or organizing research, videos can help you capture information in a more dynamic and visual way inside. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the page where you want the video to appear. Make sure you are in the correct section or notebook so everything stays organized as you work. One of the easiest ways to add a video is by embedding an online video link. First, go to your web browser and find the video you want to include. Copy the video's URL from the address bar. Then, return to OneNote and paste the link directly onto your page. After a moment, OneNote will automatically recognize the link and display it as an embedded video player. This allows you to play the video without leaving your notebook. If the video does not automatically embed, you can still use the link as a clickable reference. Simply keep the pasted link on your page, and when clicked, it will open the video in your browser. This is still useful for quick access, especially when embedding is not supported. Another way to include video content is by inserting a file directly from your computer. Go to the Insert tab at the top menu, then choose File Attachment or Insert File. Select your video file, and it will be added to your page as an attachment. You can click on it anytime to open and watch it using your default media player. It's also helpful to position your video neatly within your notes. You can click and drag the embedded player or attachment to place it exactly where you want. Consider adding a short description or label above the video so you remember its purpose later on. Using videos in OneNote can improve how you study, present ideas, or store important information. It turns your notes into a more interactive and flexible workspace that goes beyond plain text. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.